Jump.
Aww.
Oh, that's nice.
That's kind. Hello and welcome back to another episode of I'm Too Broke to Buy My Dream Car. So instead, I'm fixing shit like this. So if you watched my last video, you will know that I bought this 2015 Volvo V40 because I want to get my dream car, which is a V60 Polestar. But I can't afford it, so I'm going to keep flipping cars until I can. I bought this car, it was absolutely gross. There was actually no crash damage from it, but it was just in a bit of a sorry state. The only issues on the car were that the driver's seatbelt was locked into position, which is what we took out in the last video, and the passenger door was jammed shut, but it works now, even though everyone in the comments told me that it wouldn't. So first things first that we need to do on this car today is fix the seatbelt, which I took out last time, and here's one I prepared earlier. We'll have a new seatbelt off of another car because I broke the last one. Do you mind? Stop barking at birds. Come in then. You must sit. Stop barking at birds. Really noisy. Fortunately, I got a new one. I think this was £130. Is that right? Correct. £130, which is not too bad, like I said in the last video, considering so far this car has cost me nothing to fix. But before we even consider touching anything with that seatbelt, we need to disconnect the battery again, because I am not setting off any airbags unsolicited. Thank you very much. But someone did make a good point in the last video that the reason that the airbag light is on the dashboard is probably because of that seatbelt being stuck. So these seatbelts are actually super easy to do, which is a nice change. It's just 4 bolts, a 13mm at the top, 2 8mm in the middle and a 13mm at the bottom, which I just did finger tight to start with because I just wanted to check that the seatbelt was definitely working before I put everything fully back together. We got the thumbs up, so then I just gave everything a tighten up properly. Milo came to crash the party. Released the seatbelt from the old seatbelt, clipped it back into my seat, and there you go. And there we have one fully functioning driver's seatbelt. Another good job well done. Stunning. Perfect. Amazing. I am wasted. Right, so that was the nice, easy, simple job done. Now it's time for the job that I really don't want to do. I've been putting this job off since the day this car landed on this driveway. It's time to clean the interior.
Should we get an energy drink?
Oh yeah, shall we?
Yeah, let's go get one.
Let's get one. Fixing these cars in between working full time definitely takes its toll, and every so often I need a little energy boost to keep me going. Luckily for me, Holy came to the rescue and they've sent me their starter set deluxe, which includes energy, hydration and iced tea sachets. I have a bad habit of drinking the really unhealthy energy drinks which do you no favours, but Holy is a healthier and more cost-effective alternative. Here you can see I'm making my favourite energy drink, which is the Strawberry Shark. It's so easy and simple to make and is completely water-based. Before I get started cleaning the inside, I am going to drink all of my Strawberry Shark, which is my personal favourite energy version, and I am going to benefit from the low sugar. Low sugar? I mean no sugar. Low calorie energy boost. I've actually been using these in my day-to-day life as well because, as you know, I am now cabin crew. So I've been using the energy, but I've also been using the hydration sachets because it's very important to stay hydrated when you're up in the air. Favourite is strawberry and kiwi. It is so nice. So if you struggle like me to get your daily water intake in, definitely try the Holy Hydration.
Let's try some. Oh yeah, that's good.
Hey, bye! My bloody energy drink. If you want to enjoy some Holy Tea, Holy Energy and Holy Hydration, then you can use my code, which is Emily5, and that is going to get you £5 off your first order. And then you can just use my name, which is just Emily, and that will get you a further 10% off any future orders. And a little FYI, if you order this starter kit, like what I've got here, it automatically gets you free shipping. But don't tell anyone I told you that.
Right, should we get going?
Yeah, let's do it. It's one of them. Bend over and cough. First things first, let's get all of this disgusting rubbish out of this car. I've never seen anything like it. I've said it once and I'll say it again. The person who drove this car was a minger. Do you want a toot? Oh, there's another one! Cola ice. Everyone, this was a cola ice. Ooh, and sour pineapple ice. Don't vape, boys and girls. Makeup brush. You never know. Oh, ointment. Oh dear.
Is that homework?
Child temperature check.
Oh.
Mum was called by Karen. Not a Karen. Actually a disgusting amount of rubbish for one car, and that's not even all of it. Oh, the rabbits.
Wait.
I feel really bad for the rabbits. Yeet.
Bin.
Bin. It's the cursed fruit shoot.
It's not bad from one bag.
Right, time for a thumbnail. Oh, there's so many chocolate biscuits or something.
So now that I've hoovered the car literally within an inch of its life, it's time to get down to the nitty gritty, scrubbing away. Now I really didn't know how to even tackle this job, but my mum gave me a bucket of hot water, a load of cleaning concoction, and said just literally go mental with it. She used to be a cleaner, so I'm going to trust what she says. And to be honest, it worked. Everything actually just came away quite easy. Even the mysterious brown stain. A good old scrub, a bit of elbow grease, and it all came away. And the interior actually came up so nice. I think I went through a whole bottle of this spray purely on that stain alone. But literally, it all came away really nice.
There you go. You would never know that a child had no doubt shit their pants in the back of this car anymore. Perfect. All I can say is it's a very good job that I have never, ever wanted kids. If I had a kid and it pants in the back of my Volvo, let me tell you, there'd be trouble. Christmas would be cancelled for the rest of their stupid lives.
Now that we'd successfully tackled the forbidden chocolate stains, all we had to do was just give the interior a nice basic wipe down, give it a clean, tidy it up and get it gleaming.
What is this? That needs to come off.
Was it?
Whoever makes stickers like this, do you know what? It's not even the sticker manufacturer's fault that. What stupid idiot has decided to stick that to the dashboard? Oh.
Want some tar and bug remover?
No, do you know what you should use? Kim and Aggie taught me this, mayonnaise.
Oh.
You should put mayonnaise, if you get a sticker stuck like this, you rub mayonnaise into it, apparently it comes off. It's not drivers.
Oh, no, it's not.
There's even on the dials. What? How? Oh. I've never known anyone collect rocks in their dials, but every day's a school day with a co-park car, isn't it? And that's about it. That was actually not too bad. I mean, it was disgusting. I don't think this car has ever been cleaned in its life. Now, it looks lovely and it smells like apples. So, it can't really get any better than that, can it?
Now it's time to tackle the outside, and to give this car some credit, the outside actually isn't that bad. It's mostly just cobwebs from where it's been sat in a yard, rotting away for God knows how long. Nothing a good old scratch and shine can't fix.
For any car detailers, come at me. I don't clean a car. I should clean a car. There, I said it. You're all going to go, oh, you should have done that first. I know, but do you know what? This car isn't, on the outside, it's not actually that dirty. It's more so just covered in cobwebs, been sat in a co-park yard, dirty, do you know what I mean? So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with pre-cleaner around all the bottom half of the car, let that sink in. I'm going to hit the wheels, because they're the worst bit. They are actually disgusting. I genuinely don't think they've ever been cleaned. Look at that, they're supposed to be silver. No foam it, jet wash it, sponge it down, bada bing, bada boom. Very bubbly. So, that's the strangest snow foam I've ever used in my life. Wouldn't recommend. It's like a little bubble bath. It's so cute. I genuinely think that's bubble bath, not snow foam. It smells like bubble bath.
It smells.
It looks like bubble bath, but it's amazing. Look, watch. It's a foam party! For some reason, when it's empty, it works. God knows. I'm sure there's so many detailers crying in the comments right now. Okay. As the final ceremony, to mark the completion of this car, we can now take off the sticker, which is actually on there a lot more than what I thought it was going to be.
I thought it'd be one of them.
Yeah, same. I thought it was just going to be a...
Don't rip.
Oh, it's singing us a song. And finally, goodbye to the letters. But your days of being a scrap car, not scrap car, that's harsh, isn't it? a auction car are over. Little Volvo, and you will go on to live a happy life with no smelly children in the back. Battery back on. Bonnet down. Let's start her up. I am going to see if that airbag light is still on now that I've put the new seatbelt in. I'm 99.9% sure it is still going to be on. But let's have a look. Thank you. So it still says SOS airbag service urgent, which I knew that was going to happen. But the seatbelt works and it locks. Yes. That's that problem definitely 100%edly sorted, which is amazing. But we do need to get rid of that SOS airbag urgent light off. Look at the size of that spider.
Where's he gone?
Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out.
Gone,
I can't. Gone. No, absolutely not. Indicators, both working. Full beam. Put full beam on. Brake. Perfect.
How about the fog light?
Fog light works. Indicators. Amazing! The next video that I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to go and take this car for a service. Even though the car is telling us that there's about 5,000 miles left until it is due a service, I would rather sell the car, as it doesn't come with any paperwork, that it's at least got a fresh service on it. So it's just kind of peace of mind. And then as well, I've also got something arriving which is going to help us out massively. I have got a topped-on diagnostic tool coming. It's on the way, and that is going to help us clear that SRS airbag light. So next video will be the final video on the Volvo, because it is pretty much done now, and then it's going to be going up for sale probably before that video even comes out. And it's time to start looking for the next one. I've already been looking. I've got about 5 or 6 cars that are on like my watch list on Copart, and they're due to go up for auction in about 5 or 6 days. So keep your eyes peeled, there will be another one coming, and this one will hopefully be going to its new home.
Before I go, I do just want to show you all just how well this interior actually came up. It's almost hard to believe that the car at the start and this car is the same thing. But I also want to say before I go, a huge thank you to the amount of positive comments I've had regarding these videos. It's been such a nice change for me and for you guys to finally be doing something that I enjoy on YouTube again. I'm loving doing this series so far, and I know some of you might think it's a bit far-fetched, but I really do believe that we can do